Chapter number 8 is zombie DNA. Let's finish writing the feed and multiply function. The formula for calculating a new zombie DNA is simple. The average between the feeding zombie's DNA and the target's DNA. For example, uh, testing DNA, splicing, public zombie DNA equal to target DNA. New zombie is equal to zombie DNA plus target DNA divided by 2. Later we can make our formula more complicated if we want to, like adding some randomness to the new zombie DNA. But for now, we'll keep it simple. We can always come back it to later. Okay. So now let's uh, create a zombie DNA. How we can do this? First, we need to make sure that underscore target DNA isn't longer than 16 digits. To do this, we can set underscore target DNA equal to target DNA into DNA modules. Only take the last 16 digits. Okay. So it is uh, okay. Next, our function should declare a uint new DNA inside equal to the average of my zombie's DNA and target DNA. Where it is uh, mm, DNA. Yes, it's DNA target DNA. Okay. Okay. So here for the first line we need to DNA modulus. There it is. Okay. Once we have the new DNA, let's create let's call underscore get zombie. Okay. Underscore create zombie. Let's take name and DNA. So let's set our new zombie name to no name. Okay. For now, we can write a function to change the zombie name later. Okay. And the second is DNA. Now let's pass a new DNA here. For you, Solidity business, uh, you may notice a problem with our code here. Don't worry, we'll fix in the next chapter. Okay, let's see. Let's run it. Okay, so we have so many errors here. What are they? First, the line. Second, this one. Let's try again. Okay, great. So we have completed chapter number 8 also. Now let's move on to chapter number 9.